Hi, it's Kimberly Barton from Kinetic Realty. Today is Friday, April 3rd, 2020, and I hope everyone has had a good week so far and you've been staying safe and healthy. So since last Friday's update, we have been doing lots of things to help people get from here to there. In fact, 395 new listings will be coming on the market soon. 1,516 went active. 560 went under contract. 1,615 are pending to go to settlement, and 2,219 settled since last Friday in Maryland. So the market is still moving, and if you need help to buy or sell or discuss your options, please feel free to reach out to me. Thanks for watching. I'm Kimberly Barton from Kinetic Realty. Take care.